One day, two friends, Marius and Nikos, are traveling through some woods. Marius has a big bag on his back. Inside the bag, there are lots of things. He wants to sell these in the nearest town. Suddenly, the two men hear a loud noise. Nikos stops walking. "What's that noise, Marius?" he asks. Just then, a big brown bear arrives on the path. It stands up on its back legs in front of the two travelers. "Ah, it's a bear!" Nikos cries loudly. He quickly climbs up a big tree, and he leaves Marius alone on the path. Marius can't climb the tree because his bag is big and heavy. "What can I do?" he thinks. Marius suddenly has an idea. Bears never touch a dead body, he thinks. So he lies down on the ground and doesn't move. The big, heavy bear walks slowly over to Marius. Marius closes his eyes and stays very still. Nikos looks down from the tall tree. He watches the bear. It moves nearer to Marius. Nikos is afraid. He doesn't help his friend. The bear begins to sniff Marius with its big black nose. First, it slowly sniffs his body, but Marius doesn't move. Then it sniffs his hair, nose, and face, but Marius doesn't open his eyes. Next, it sniffs his ears for a long time, but Marius lies very still on the ground. Nikos watches carefully from the tree. That bear is whispering something in Marius's ear, he thinks. What's it saying? I want to know. In the end, the bear becomes bored with Marius. It walks down the path and goes away into the woods. After some minutes, Marius stands up. Nikos quickly climbs down the tree and runs to his friend. "Are you okay? Tell me about the bear's words in your ear." Nikos says excitedly to Marius, "I must know the truth." "All right. I can tell you his advice to me," Marius says. "When times are bad, you know your true friends. And after all this, I know you better, and you're not a true friend to me, Nikos."